So let me just turn on pink bulb, and here you go. So you can see guys, now let me turn on blue bulb. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to turn on green, and here is the green. So guys, you can see how it's working. And hello guys, I'm Rajiv and welcome back to our channel IoTBoys. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to control home appliances using Windows PC. So guys, for this I have created one Windows application so that you can easily control, you can configure the like a bulb or home appliances. You can give it a name as a fan, living room light, living room fan, whatever you want. You can just give it a name properly and you can use it. So if you have not seen my previous video, just click on I button and watch, because that video is really prerequisite for this project. Okay, so because the same Windows application I'm going to use for this project, and I have explained each and everything in that video, like how that you can configure the Windows application and you can use it. So guys, source code for the Windows application is available on the GitHub. You can, I will provide the link in the description. You can just go there, check it, and you can download, you can modify as per your need, and you can use it. It's completely free. Okay guys, very simple and interesting project. So let's get started. Okay. So guys, for this project we needed one Arduino Uno board and relay as per your need, as for your appliances. So I'm going to control these three lights: green, blue and pink. So I would be needed three relay, but since I had this 4-channel relay, so I'm going to use the same, and one I will just like one relay would be as it is. Okay, so that I'm not going to use. All three would be connected with these three lights. And we need 5 male to female jumper wire. You can see this is the male to female jumper wire. So that's all we needed for this project, and obviously one Windows application so that you can control through this. Okay, so let's see the wiring guys, how we need to connect. Okay guys, so let me show you the wiring. So it's very simple guys. So like I said, we need a 5 male to female jumper wire. So the female part will come here, and if you see this is for the VCC, and this so let me just remove this just for better visibility. I'm putting this red as a VCC, and this one I will put as a ground. Okay, ground. And then these three would be like one for in, you can see here, right? In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. So I'm going to use up to 3. Okay, so I'm just wiring this. 2, and this one is 3. Okay guys, you can see now this VCC will be connected with this Arduino VCC. So the 5 volt basically. So I'm like, this is ground and this is 5 volt, and the ground will be connected with the ground of Arduino. So this is the ground, and this, so basically like in the code, like I have written this 3 you can connect with any pin, right? Any GPIO. So and the same you can configure into the that interface. Okay, so let me connect on 5, 6, 7 so that it would be easier. So I'm connecting in 1 second. So in 1 is the green. Okay, so this one I'm making as a 5, and then this is a 6 into, and the third and last one would be connected to 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay guys, so this is ready. Now I will connect this with this like a COM and close. Okay, so let me just put it. Okay, this is fine. Now this one will be connected to this. So guys, I'm just making sure it's the any of wire could not touch with other, so that else result would be something else. So guys, actually I was getting some issue with this uh, screw. Okay, I was not able to open that. So what I did, I just like soldered here, okay, with the same. So you can see this is for the first, okay, this two wire with the second, and this for the third. Okay, so now I will just connect this carefully because it's all open, right? So guys, just be careful when you do this kind of stuff because it's a live electric wire, right? These are all live. So I will just, after this adding, I will just put this tape. So guys, this is the Windows application I have created to control the home appliances from the PC, or like controlling LED or anything if you want to control using serial communication. So this application you can use, and in future I'm going to extend this application with the so many features. Like I'm going to bring the serial monitor, and the serial monitor would be even more advanced than the default Arduino IDE serial monitors. So just stay tuned and keep checking. So okay, so first I'm going to select the, I have already plugged the Arduino. Okay, so I'm getting the COM3 port, and baud rate I'm using in the code 9600. So that I'm selecting here and going to connect. So it's saying connected to microcontroller, so that's good. And guys, I'm going to control like a 3 bulbs. So as I said, so I'm going to select the 3 appliances here. Okay, and now I have to give the name to those appliances. So for me, let me just write the pink bulb, and the code which I have written that I'm going to show you, that is written as like it's a dynamic. So you can give any pin here. So let's say like 0 to 13, any pin would work for you. Okay, I will show the code. Okay, so let's say I'm giving it as a 5, and the blue bulb as 6, and then green bulb 7. And now I have to just click on save, and this would be saved. So by default it's like off. Okay, I will show you the final output, but before that, now let's come to our Arduino code, and let's just understand what I have written and how you can use it. So this is a basically command. So basically what happened when I click on this button, okay, so if you see this, okay, command sent to the board on and pin 5, that's what we have configured, right? You can see here also like 5, 6, 7, so pin 5. So this command will be received to this variable using serial communication, like serial dot read strings. So this one, okay, so because of that I have declared this variable, and the same thing I am assigning here. Okay, so before jumping into the loop, let's come to the setup. So as you know guys, setup would runs only once we our Arduino board just power up. Okay, so like I said, I'm using like 9600 baud rate. So the same serial dot begin 9600 I have given here, and to make all the pin dynamic, so that the all pin can, any pin can work, and you can control up to 14 and you can control up to 13 appliances using the same Arduino and the same code base and the same UI also, guys. So it's very fantastic. So you don't have a control to like, and you don't need to even modify the code each time if you have more appliances you want to add. Okay, so that's why I just make a loop, and I'm making all the pin as the output. So whenever required, so every pin is just ready to give you, you can just give you output. Okay, and so initially, like each time when I'm making, so I am like doing digital write pin high. So high I'm doing because of the relay is like I have connected to normally close. Okay, and C, which is NC, normal close and common. So that's why I'm using like a high to off. So we need to initially I'm just doing all the the appliances are turned off. Okay, now in the loop I am reading the command, the string which I received from the this application. Okay, so whatever I sent here, that I'm receiving to this variable. Okay, and now I'm checking if I haven't received anything, because loop will be continuous running, right? So I need to check when I need to take action, right? Because each, if I will not write, then each time it will do all the things and it will throw error, or even it will not good for the for the Arduino, right? We need to have a specific condition. So that's why I have written this. I'm just first checking if something coming, then come to the here, and actually I'm passing the value like this, the first one is the pin which I want to operate. So the pin, let's say 5, and here I'm passing the value 0 or 1. Okay, so to turn on I'm passing 0, and to turn off I'm passing 1. So the string would receive like this. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to split the value. The first I am considering as a pin, and second I am considering as a action, some command which you can think. So I need to split. So in the C++ Arduino, basically we don't have by default a split function, which is available there in other programming language, JavaScript or C#. So it's available there, but here we need to this is the way of splitting. So first I'm doing like command dot index of I'm just getting, and delimiters I got. Then I'm just checking if I have got something. Okay, it's not -1, that I'm checking if I got something. Then the what I'm doing, I'm getting the substring from 0 position to the delimiter position. Okay, so total position basically. So yeah, this is the basically code to just get the first part is the pin part, and the second one is the action, what we need to do, like whether we have to turn on or turn off. And this is a string. Okay, so so what I have to do, I'm just converting that to just to, so that it would be the great to just compare. Okay, so I'm converting those string into the integer. Okay, and the both are now integer, and now I'm checking if command equals 0 means turn off, right? So in that case I'm just checking the pin number. So pin number I will get here. Okay, the first parameter. So let's say I'm passing 5, then I will get 5 here, and if 0, then turn off. Okay, and else if 1, then the pin number, and I'm making as a turn on. So guys, in the case of relay, it's kind of like opposite. In a normal LED, if we do, then it would be, this one would be low and this one would be high. So guys, to get this application, you just need to come to this website, IoTBoys.com. It's our official website, maybe you know. And you can also come and check other videos and blog posts. So to download that you need to come to this download section, and you will see this application, right? IoT Control Tower. So this is the application which you need to download. You need to just click download and it will be downloaded. So guys, everything is now ready. Okay, I have sellotape here so that current would not supply outside, and it's basically it's the best for safety. So now I'm going to just plug in to the main power. Okay, okay, now let me turn on. Okay, so let me just turn on pink bulb, and here you go. So you can see, guys, now let me turn on blue bulb. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to turn on green, and here is the green. So guys, you can see how it's working, and this is also in this relay. You can just see all indicator are here, so everything looking as expected. Now I'm going to turn off one by one. So I'm going to turn off first blue. Okay, now pink. Yeah, now green. It's perfect. And guys, here you can see if I turn on, so here in the status bar you can see, right, I last time I did turn off for the green, so it's saying like pin 7. That's what I have configured for green, and the command I sent to turn off. So let me show once again so that it will be more clear for you. So I'm now going to turn on green first. Oh, no, let me turn on pink. Okay, so pink is on, and here you can see the board like on, and pin number 5. So it's all nice, guys. If you like this project, please share this project with your friends who is also looking for IoT projects, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.